Sorry, don't mind me, just doing a speed video of the Codep here.
Oh, that's cool. I don't want to interfere. You talk about as much in your videos as you do in real life.
This is the concise version.
What do you think of the little Codep?
It's cute, and it's got a nice low speed and a fairly long spin down time.
I had to do a lot of coaxing on these bearings. They were terrible. It required very patient oiling and WD-40ing and then letting it run on high speed for like 2 days straight for everything to work in.
Wow.
So.
Well, it seems to have worked.
Yeah.
Still going.
It was in very rough shape. Richard Moss picked this up for me off of Craigslist. I'd been negotiating with the Craigslist seller for weeks, who thought for sure I was a scammer, and eventually ended up having Richard get it rather than having them ship it to me. But I'm very excited. It's my first 4 curved blade industrial. So now I want more of them. This is inclined to stay here for longer, I think, than the SMC is downstairs.
Nice. Alright, it has finally spun down, so I will stop.